Hi, this is Chris with Cloud Computing for Kids. Today we're going to be looking at what is Amazon WorkSpaces. Amazon WorkSpaces is a fully managed, persistent desktop virtualization service that enables your users to access the data, applications, and resources they need anywhere, anytime, from any supported device. You can deploy either Windows or Linux desktops in the AWS WorkSpaces in a short time. Amazon comes in handy when you want to have a test environment to test out some concepts or an environment to use when traveling. The Workspaces architecture can be used for company-wide virtual desktop deployment to reduce IT overhead support costs. Amazon Workspaces is deployed within Amazon Virtual Private Cloud (VPC), and no user data is stored on the local device. This helps improve the security of the user data and reduces your overall risk surface area. How does Amazon Workspaces work? Creating virtual desktops with Amazon Workspaces is simple. You just need to choose the bundles that best meet your needs. You will need to download the Workspace client and then provision Workspaces desktop on the AWS console to get started. The users get an email from AWS to tell them how to log into the desktop.